My name is Toby Manoupath. I've worked here for a little over a year now, and I am a shift lead and lead lot tech. As a lot tech, I gas up cars for delivery after they get sold, and I organize a lot. And as a shift lead, I kind of manage the team and make sure the drive is in order. I first learned about Feldmann imports through Citrin. It's like a valley service, and one of my cousins worked for him. So I asked if I can be part of the team. My favorite part of my job is getting to see all the new vehicles when they come off the transports and all the new specs that the cars have. Outside of work, I like to go snowboarding. I like to watch a lot of football, and I like to spend a lot of time with my brothers. The best vacation I've been on was a trip to Amsterdam with two of my buddies. It was my first time out in Europe, and we did a lot of sightseeing, saw the Vincent van Gogh Museum, and it was just nice to see the culture out there. The best advice I would give someone new to this company would be just getting to know all your employees, because once you get to know them, it just makes work so much easier and so much more fun and relaxing. If I could pick one superpower, it would be to teleport, so I can go anywhere I want in a blink of an eye. If I could switch jobs with anyone in the company, I would switch with Chris Chor. If I could have one meal for the rest of my life, I would probably have burgers and fries, because you can do so many things with it. I would recommend Feldmann Imports to friends and family because they try really hard to find the perfect car for you. What I enjoy about working with Mercedes-Benz is how comfortable and luxurious they are. What makes Feldmann Imports different from any other car dealership is I feel like a lot of the employees here just make you feel welcome and make you feel like you're at home.